In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fork a REPL on Replit. This is a simple and quick process that will take just a few minutes. Forking is an essential skill that lets you create your own version of a project to experiment with and modify it to your liking. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to replit.com. If you haven't already signed up, create an account. It's free and easy to do. Once you're all set with your account, log in so you can access the full functionality of Replit. Now, as you might notice, Replit doesn't have a direct fork button as some other platforms do. Instead, you'll be focusing on the Developer Framework section, which you can find on the left handy side panel. Go ahead and click on Developer Frameworks. This area is where you'll find the different frameworks available that you can use as a base for your coding project. Once you're inside the Developer Framework section, take a moment to explore the various options available. Choose the framework that suits your needs or the one you're intending to fork. Don't rush this part, as picking the right framework will set you up for success with your forked project. After selecting the framework you wish to work with, you'll see an option labeled Use Framework, and take note of the fork icon conveniently placed just before it. This is your cue that you're on the right track. Click on Use Framework to proceed. Now it's time to personalize your project by giving it a name. Think of a name that reflects what you plan to do with this forked project, or simply something that makes it easily identifiable. This step might seem simple, but having a clear and descriptive name will help keep your work organized, especially if you plan on managing multiple projects on Replit. Once you've named your project, you'll need to click on Use Framework once again. This action is the final step in the forking process. By doing so, you've effectively forked the entire framework or project you initially selected. Now, you'll have your very own version ready for you to tinker with, edit, or expand upon. And there you have it. You've successfully forked a REPL on Replit. Remember, this method allows you to experiment safely without affecting the original project, making it a fantastic way to learn and innovate. Enjoy exploring and coding with your newly forked project.